guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be recreating a look created by STRASHME on Instagram and YouTube. So here's the photo. So on the next slide you'll be seeing a better image of the look that I'm recreating. I'll show you all the steps and techniques that I've used, and then at the end you'll determine whether or not I really could recreate this look. So first I'm actually going to prime my face with an Honest Beauty Everything Primer Matte Prep and Prime. Alright guys, so for my eyeshadow base I'm actually going to use the Measure Difference 6 Cream Contour Palette. It's very similar to the Anastasia palette, and I'm going to take this shade here and just apply it all over my eyelids. To set this concealer on my eyelids, I'm going to use the Airspun powder in the color Translucent Extra Coverage 0741. Alright guys, so now I'm going to dip into my Morphe palette and I'm going to go in with this deep brown color here all over my lids. Cut my crease, but using this color here, the same one I applied as the base. I'm going to tap a white color, like a cream eggshell color, on top of my lid. I'm going to take the black shade and deepen up this crease. Brush, and I'm just going to blend out that harsh black. It's time to draw my eyeliner. Time to put this in the crease. Guys, to fill my brows in a little bit, I'm actually going to use the NYX eyebrow pencil and fill them in. Blend this in, but to clean up around my eyes, I'm going to use some concealer and just clean that up. Foundation, I'm going to use the Fenty Pro Filter foundation, and I'm going to actually mix it with my Ulta liquid illuminator and put this on my cheeks. I'm going to go back in and add some definition to my face with some highlight concealer, and then I'm going to set it with the Airspun powder. Alright guys, so I'm going to let this sit on my face. I'm going to go in with the No Egg Duo contour powder and sweep that on my cheekbones. Guys, so I'm going to apply my lashes and I'll be right back. Guys, to actually blend my lashes, I'm going to go in with the Honest Beauty mascara right here. Alright guys, time to dust away this powder and spray down my face. It's time for me to add my highlight. Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit in Sundipped. I'm going to take the color Moonstone and brush that on my highlight area. Brush my brows out with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. I'm going to outline my lips in dark brown, then fill it in with a nude color. Lip color, I'm going to use MAC Mademoiselle lip paint. So my lips is drying now, so I'm going to add a little bit of this NARS Chelsea Girl gloss. Alright guys, so this is the final look. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.